Okay, good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I should be sleeping in because it's Saturday, right? I get up every single day to drive my son to the school bus at the crack of dawn. It's 7:18 on October 19th. And I'm at the school because my son has a PSAT today. And he had to be here between 7 and 7:15, and then they locked the doors at 7:30. 41 degrees outside. 41 degrees. Oh, it's supposed to warm up until about 52. So anyway, I do have to wait for my son quite a bit, and I'm very tired. I don't know. This throat thing hasn't resolved itself, so it's still a little scratchy from yesterday. So, I'll take a little rest in the car. I have a book to read. I brought some knitting. I can drive over to Dunkin' Donuts in a little bit once I get myself situated and go get some coffee and one of my favorites, an old-fashioned donut. So that's not that far away. Okay, guys, hi, how are you? Oh, wow, that did not go as I expected. And in the back of my car, I always keep a big puffy blanket. Where is that big puffy blanket? A big puffy down blanket and a pillow. And I said, I'm just gonna lie down. I'm gonna lie down and take a little rest before I do anything. And ta-da, it's 10:30. He's almost done with his test. I haven't gone anywhere. Look at my hair. Oh well, I'll put a hat on. That will fix it. Yeah, so I just had a big nap in my car in the school parking lot. It was really weird because when I first woke up, I was like, where am I? It's like, oh, I'm in my car. I really needed the sleep. I was so tired. So, yeah, that's good. Anyway, I feel much better. I was going to do some knitting. I don't know. What's my channel called? Crafty Cape Carter? Have you seen me make anything? No, nothing. I have not done anything this month of October. It's like I'm running around. I'm going here, I'm going there. I brought my knitting with me. I said, I'll knit while I'm waiting for him. But sleeping works. I needed to sleep, that's all. That is one thing also about having cancer is I don't have cancer right now. It's called NED, no evidence of disease, and my next PET scan is in January. But you do have this really extreme fatigue sometimes. And it's like you're walking underwater and you're pushing as hard as you can and you're not getting anywhere. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know. It exists. If somebody says cancer fatigue, I'm here to tell you it exists. I don't know how long it's going to last. Hopefully it will go away. But the thing to do is to be kind to your body. And if your body really needs to rest and needs that sleep instead of doing something else. I mean, the beach is right next to here. The beach I love to go to is right next to here. I was like, I'm going to go to Dunkin' Donuts. I'm going to go for a walk on the beach. I'm going to knit. And then I said, I'm really tired. I think I'll just, lie down with my little blanket for a little rest. Yeah, it's 10:30. So anyway, thought I'd check in. I don't have anything exciting to show you on video today because